Renault is bringing fresh energy to Munich as the sixth-generation Clio steps into the spotlight. After leading Europe's sales in the first half of 2025 with 130,500 units, this hatchback returns with confidence and a sharper identity. The world debut happens on Monday, September 8 at 5:30 in the evening during a special press conference in Munich. From Tuesday, September 9 through Sunday, September 14, the new Clio will greet the public at Odeonsplatz in the city center. Beside the headline act, Renault 5 and Renault 4 E-Tech Electric will share the stage, giving visitors a clear look at where the brand is heading. Two forward-looking models will appear to preview what comes next. Beyond the cars, guests can enjoy an immersive space that includes a vinyl bar stocked with 120 records. The Originals Renault Store adds exclusive merchandise. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.